Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change background and lock screen picture. So to do this, go to Start, Settings and select Personalization. Here you change your background picture. So here in drop down menu you have three options. To change picture, you can select here from one of Windows default pictures, or you can browse it and select one of your own pictures. You can choose solid color and select any color you want. You can click here on custom color and here you can select color you want, select done, and here it is. And the third option is Slideshow. This means you can select more than one picture and they will change in intervals you set here from 1 minute to 1 day. So I will just leave mine on picture. To change lock screen, select here lock screen, and here also you have three options: Windows Spotlight, Picture and Slideshow. Procedure is the same as changing background picture, so you can browse it and change the picture you want. So this is the way how you change your background and lock screen picture. If I helped you, please like the video and subscribe, and I see you in next video. Bye.